The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Radiant Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical. As the weather heats up, Woody and Mr. AC, aka the Mooch, are here with Radiant Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical to talk about their AC Summer Sell-a-thon. Okay, why is now such an important time for homeowners to pay attention to their AC systems, Woody?
This is the time that things show up. They start to show up. You get some signs that there might be something wrong. And you shouldn't ignore those things, because what you don't want is for it to break in 100 degrees. It's much better to get ahead of it. So that's the reason now is a great time.
And talk to me about some of those signs. What would be some indicators that things are slowing down or aren't working as they should?
Yeah, if the system's running a lot, if it keeps running and doesn't shut off, that's a great sign. Noises, high energy bills, all those kind of things.
If someone's system is older or maybe failing, what options do they have right now?
Yeah, call us. We have our summer sell-a-thon going on right now. So it's $150 a month for a new system. We can repair them too, so there's a lot of options for you.
Mm-hmm. And you guys are available all the time.
Yes.
Talk to me about that.
Yeah, weekends, evenings, Memorial Day we were open for. So yeah, anytime, anywhere, we're open.
Good opportunity to get things looked at.
Mm-hmm.
And so how can homeowners schedule with Radiant?
There's many ways online. Give us a call. Same day service is what we do. So.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And if someone does make a call out to y'all, what does the process look like for you to come and take a look at our HVAC systems?
Yeah, we'll come out, we'll check it all out, we'll do a full diagnosis of everything. We write a whole list of options for you, from like basic up to replacement. So yeah, you get to choose whatever you want.
Mm-hmm. And let's say we don't need a full replacement. Mm-hmm. Is it possible to just have a repair done?
It depends. You know, if systems that are 10 to 15 years old or even older, that's when it starts getting a little, you have to make that decision yourself as a homeowner. If do you want to put the money into that, or do you want to do a new system? You save money on energy bills if you put a new one in. It's better, it's cooling better. A lot of reasons to do it, but that depends on the homeowner's budget.
Well, and that brings up the sell-a-thon. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so $150 a month financing. We have payment plans. Yeah, so very easy to get a new system if that's what the homeowner chooses. Just pay attention. Just pay attention to it. I think people know when there's a problem.
And most of us are ignoring it.
We just like to shut it off a little bit and just be like, I hope it's going to be fine. And like, it might be, but you know, be careful, be thoughtful of that.
And to your point, it's not going to fix itself.
It won't.
That's why you have to call in the pros like Radiant.
That's right.
Okay, thank you so much, Woody. We appreciate it.
Me too.
Visit callradiant.com to schedule today, and remember, just call Radiant. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Radiant Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical.